Hi guys, it is 10:04 a.m. and I am going to get some donuts. It's so cold outside. School's canceled today because the roads are supposedly icy, but I think they've melted by now. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Today I need to do my English, then I need to do my math, and then I need to do my government, and then I need to go back to my math. We had like 3 days off. This is the third day off, and I haven't done anything, which is kind of really bad, but it's okay. So let's go get donuts. I don't know if they take cash or card. Whoa! I got the donuts. She gave me a few extra too. I'm back home, and I got way too many donuts that I could handle. Yeah, I got way too many donuts. Oh, my phone's still in there. You can see from the sidewalk that everything's ice. I'm gonna do my English, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all. Hey guys, so I took a break from my reading log to get some lunch. So right now, I don't really know. I'm making like ramen type-ish, but with a different soup. Because we went to Hot Pot and we have leftover soup, so I'm using that. We're making Rice Krispie treats. Okay. Hey guys, I just got back from school, and I really wanted to make Rice Krispie treats, so that is what we are going to do right now. I made them for Valentine's Day. That's why you see the pink sprinkles. And everybody loved it. And I had some extra for my mom, and she loved them. So we're going to make some for her today, and my dad. I found this recipe on TikTok, but then I combined like two of them together because like one of them like had the right like ingredients, but like they're not the right way to cook them. So you know, that's what I did. Today I had a concept check. I'm not a concept check, like a practice test, AP practice test for calc, and oh my god, that was really hard. That was literally harder than the test, even though I did really bad on the test, but it doesn't matter. But I didn't finish. There were only 10 multiple choice questions, and I finished 5 of them. And then so the rest I had to guess, and I just put B on all of them because I had form B, and I was like, okay, like there's literally nothing to lose. So this is the butter. It looks burnt, but it's not. If you see it's like golden, you can see it's still a little yellow, so that's what we want. So then I turned the heat all the way off. After this, you want to put in your marshmallows. Seems about right, but I put like that much. Oh, that might be a lot. Should start melting from the heat of the butter. So the intro of this is from an entirely different day, like 2 weeks ago when there was snow in Texas, and now it's literally 70 degrees outside 2 weeks later. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna add in our Rice Krispie treats. So I like to do like a top layer first, so just like coating all the marshmallows. Also, maybe it would be better if I use like on-brand Rice Krispie treats. Okay, I added more Rice Krispie treats, and the last step, the most crucial step in my opinion, are the sprinkles. Oh, and I forgot one more thing. And then you want to add a little more marshmallow so you get like marshmallow bursts. It's also like easier if you use your hands, but if you don't want to get your hands sticky, I understand. Move you over. Stick this in here. You want to like stretch them so they're super airy. Don't want to pat them down. You just want to spread them out so they're super airy once you cut them up. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Oh, shit. And that's it. I'm gonna eat one right now. Let's see how stretchy. See, these are super soft. Unlike the first batch that I made. Okay.